guys, earlier I couldn't record when they unloaded me, so I figure I'd show you guys how to secure this wire coils. I did the first one right there. This could be a bit dangerous if you don't know what you're doing, but that was weird. Alright guys, so pretty much what you want to do, get your strap. I usually line it up like around right here, and I don't know, I guess people do it differently. This is how I've been doing it for a while now, and I feel safe. So what you want to do is just throw it in there between the coil, through the coil. So I usually do this whole side first. So get your strap, throw it in there. Make sure you have some extra strap on this side, because you're gonna eventually throw it back, so you need some extra strap. Here I'm gonna do so on the back and on the front I do a little bit different. For the last one, I usually try to put the strap right in the middle, and then I'll show you guys in a little bit how I strap the last one. This is for the front and the back. There's that. Let me just make sure I'm recording, because yeah, I think we're good. All right, so for this one, alright guys, so I'll finish all this side and we go to this other side. And then you just want to throw them back. I usually leave this one at the end, the last one, because this one eventually is going to go on top of the coil. So I'll leave it for the end. So for all these ones right here, All you gotta do is basically throw them back. You're basically hugging the coil. So you want to do that. Grab this one, throw right back. Well, I did this one earlier, so I'll show the rest of it right now. But you should just gonna throw it right back. Just gonna hook it. All right. So this one is ready. What you want to do? You're just basically gonna throw it right back. One more time. Grab it. All right. Grab it, just throw it back. Oops. Back. All right. So once you throw all of them back, what you want to do is just basically hook them. Just make sure they're kind of straight. The strap is straight, flat. There you go. Just hook it. A little crooked. That should be fine. All right. There you go. So now that we hooked all of them, I'm gonna go to the other side now. We're gonna start tightening the strap. So you're just gonna try to tighten as much as you can with your hand. Just reel in all the extra strap you have. Push it as much as you can. Reel it in. It's a very simple tie down, honestly. It's just a little time consuming. It's because you gotta do all this back and forth. But overall, it's a pretty easy step. I mean, easy tie down. Now for the last one, I'm just gonna show you guys what I do on this one. All right, I should get on top of the trailer. All right, so for this one, I'll grab the strap that I threw through the coils. Then what you want to do, go over the coils, and then what I do, I just throw it right back to the hole. So basically I'm hugging it, but from the top. That's pretty much all I'm doing right now. Just make sure all this strap. Okay. There's barely any space here. Alright. So there you go. Now I just want to stretch as much of the strap I can with my hands. And there you go. You're basically hugging it from the top. So I only do that for the front and the back coils. I know there's people that just throw a strap right in between here, which is fine, I guess. You know, I feel more secure. And doing it this way, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like in between the coils, there's like a crack, right? It's like a crack right there, right in the middle. So by doing this, once you start tying it out, you bring the coils a little bit closer to each other, you know. So in my opinion, I think they're more secure this way, but everybody does in a way they feel safe. All right, so now the last step is just to start tying them. And I didn't mention these guys at the beginning, but I did 2 setups. This is where the coils go sit on. So I do one on the back, and same thing on the front. See if it made a difference at all on the back. Yeah, you see guys how the coils are not touching each other. So that's what I like about doing it this way. But there you go. Yeah guys, so that's pretty much it. You know, I'm just gonna finish tying the rest of them, but that's usually pretty much how you secure this coil, these wire coils. You're basically just hugging the coils. You see what I did to this front one? I did the same thing as I did to the back. I'm hugging it from the top. But yeah guys, there you go. Hopefully it helps a little bit. I'm gonna finish strapping down, and then I'll have to tarp this. I don't want to show you, I don't want to bore you guys showing you the tarping. So I'll see you guys later.